In this tutorial, the system you're watching is Ubuntu 25.04, also known as Plucky Puffin. The goal is to install Linux Kernel 6.18 LTS using the official Mainline Kernel Tool, which is the most user-friendly and reversible way to run a newer kernel. Before doing anything, let's set expectations clearly. The kernel we're installing comes from Canonical's Mainline Kernel archive. These kernels are built directly from upstream Linux sources. They are stable, long-term supported releases, but they are not officially supported by Canonical for Ubuntu. That means two things. First, you don't get commercial support if something goes wrong. Second, your existing Ubuntu kernel remains installed as a fallback, which is important for safety. This method does not replace your current kernel automatically. It simply adds another kernel option to your system. Now let's begin. The first command shown on screen adds the official PPA that provides the Mainline Kernel Tool itself. This PPA does not install any kernel by default. It only makes the graphical utility available. Once the repository is added, update the package index so the system recognizes the new source. After that, install the Mainline Kernel Tool using the command shown. This installation is lightweight. It does not modify the current running kernel and does not affect system stability. When the installation finishes, close the terminal. Now open the Applications menu and launch the application called Mainline Kernels. When the tool opens for the first time, it performs a live check against Canonical's Mainline Kernel archive. This may take a few seconds depending on your connection. After the refresh completes, you'll see a list of kernel versions. At the very top, Linux Kernel 6.18 LTS appears, clearly marked. Click once on version 6.18 to select it. On the right side of the window, you'll see a large Install button. Now click Install. The tool begins downloading all required kernel components. This includes the kernel image, headers, and supporting packages that Ubuntu needs to boot properly. You don't need to select anything manually. The tool handles architecture detection and dependency resolution automatically. Wait patiently while the installation completes. This step may take a few minutes depending on system speed and internet connection. Once the installation finishes, you'll see a confirmation inside the tool. At this point, no changes have taken effect yet. Now, reboot the system. After reboot, Ubuntu 25.04 starts using Linux Kernel 6.18 LTS automatically. You can still access older kernels from the boot menu if needed, which is why this method is considered safe. One major advantage of the Mainline Kernel Tool is updates. When newer 6.18 releases become available, such as 6.18.1 or .2, the tool can notify you. This allows you to stay on the LTS branch without constantly checking manually. If you ever decide to remove the kernel, the tool also makes that process simple and clean. This method is ideal for users who want newer hardware support, better performance, or newer kernel features without committing to risky manual installations. That's how you install Linux Kernel 6.18 LTS on Ubuntu 25.04 using the Mainline Kernel Tool, cleanly, safely, and with full control.